Hey everybody, it's Gary here. I'm so excited to have you here because we're diving into something foundational for your wellness business. Today we're talking about lead management. And don't worry, I'll break it down simply and practically. Whether you're a coach, holistic health practitioner, or wellness entrepreneur, one thing is true for all of us. If we don't manage our leads well, we leave opportunity on the table. I know you've worked too hard to let that happen. So today let's walk through exactly what lead management is and how you can master it inside the AI wellness universe. First off, you might be asking, what is lead management? Great question. Lead management is how you guide someone from first discovering you to becoming a happy client. It's a system, a nurturing path, helping them feel seen, understood, and supported. It's the human touch combined with smart systems. It's about building relationships, not just making sales. Some might say, why does lead management matter? It matters because most leads don't turn into clients immediately, and that's okay. But without a system to capture, track, and nurture them, they'll either forget about you or go somewhere else. So, practicing good lead management means that you build trust over time and you stay top of mind. You grow with less stress. So, let's talk about the 6 stages of lead management. Stage one, lead capture. This is where you catch your ideal client's attention and they give you their information, basically opening up a line of communication. Then you have stage two, lead tracking. Pay attention to their actions. Take a look at open rates, clicks, site visits, any metrics that will help you build your marketing strategy. This is important. Next up is stage three, lead qualification. You want to sort leads by readiness, whether they're hot, warm, or cold. This will help determine your approach. So now let's move to stage four, lead nurturing. This is done by sharing helpful content and building trust. Trust is so important. And in stage five, we tackle lead distribution. Here we move them to the right next step. This could be a call, a booking, or a personal invite to an event or training. So by now you know exactly what their needs are and you provide them with the solution, which leads to the last step, stage six. This is conversion. This is the best part. They become a client and you build a lasting relationship. How awesome is that? At the AI Wellness Universe, we make it easy for you. We give you the tools you need all in one place so you can stay focused on your mission while AI supports you quietly in the background. And if you ever feel stuck, you're never alone. Our community is right here to help. We are with you every step of the way. So now you know the real secret. Lead management isn't just about getting more clients, it's about creating relationships. It's about building a thriving, sustainable business, one person at a time. If you're ready to grow your business with confidence and ease, join us inside the AI Wellness Universe. We'll show you how to build a business that feels as good on the inside as it looks on the outside. So thank you for spending this time with me today. Until next time, take care.